Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Hasina binti Sulaiman and my metric card number is TB21048. Our group project is flood level detector.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Rabatul binti Azmi. My ID matric is TB21066.
I am Nur Fatin Amira binti Airus Shahidin, TB21055.
System description. Flood level detector is used to detect wave height and water level during flood season. The system is made up by using an ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, LED buzzer and a push button. A servo motor and ultrasonic sensor are both linked to Arduino digital input-output pins. The ultrasonic sensor will detect distance and the servo motor will move if the distance is less than 10 meters. Not to mention, the buzzer will ring and the LED will also light up as a warning. System diagram. As shown in the figure, this is the component that we use to make the flood level detector. In order to achieve the circuit diagram on the right side, we build it using Process 8 software.
This flowchart consists of two different conditions of the water level. If the water distance is less than 10 meters, then the gate will trigger the LED and buzzer to turn on. Thus, the servo motor also will turn 90 degrees as it will close the gate to prevent the water from flowing out from the tank. Meanwhile, if the water distance is more than 11 meters from the gate will open and the LED and buzzer will off and the servo motor will be in initial position. As you can see, this is the circuit diagram that been sketched by using the Tinkercad software. And all of the component is being connected to the Arduino Uno. The buzzer is connected to pin 13, the ultrasonic sensor is connected to pin 12 and 11, and the red LED is connected to pin 10, and the push button is connected to pin 9, and also for the servo motor is connected to pin 8 at the Arduino. This is the bill of material for this project.
The components that we need to have to do this experiment are an ultrasonic sensor, a buzzer, one of push button, one LED with a resistor, Arduino Uno, and lastly, a servo motor. Before we start everything, we need to make sure that the cable of Arduino Uno is connected to our laptop. This is the coding in Arduino IDE. Before we run, we need to make sure that we connect the port to the COM3 and the board that we use is Arduino Uno. Then, verify and upload. After that, we open the serial monitor. When the water level is more than 10 meters from the flood detector, the result will display like this in the serial monitor, and the position of the flood detector is at 0 degree. While if the water level is less than 10 meters between the flood detector, then it will show like this in the serial monitor, and the position of the flood detector will move to 90 degree. This is the design that we create on Visual Studio. We have 5 buttons, 2 combo box, 1 track bar, 1 text box receiver, 1 progress bar, 1 serial port and 3 timer. This is all the coding that we need to do to create this project. Then we are going to start. After we run, the form like this will appear, and then we choose the COM3, and for the serial beacon we choose the 9600 and then connect. In the text box receiver, it will show the distance between the water level and the flood detector. when they were more than 10 meter, like this. Then if the water level and the flat detector is less than 10 meter, then it will show like this and it will display the meter. Not only that, we also can generate the servo meter manually from the Visual Studio. Like we push a manual, then move this track bar. After that, the servo motor will move to 45 degree. And we also can choose the auto. And the servo motor will move to 90 degree. Then we can stop it by push the stop button.
This is the Gantt chart that shows the progress for this project, and that's all from us. Thank you.